Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 3000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 480 volt 3-phase, weighs roughly 1,100 pounds. It's in good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. This unit can be hooked up to a PLC or run in manual mode with the controls on the cabinet door, which is how we have it set up right now. There are the controls. Overall dimensions, 38 inches long by 38 inches wide by 44 inches high. And we'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it go. Nice quiet machine. Take a look at the O-scope wave here. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.